let's try to crypto the sentence. This is going to be rough for the matrix. 4, -1, 3, -2. Cool? So for right now, we're just encoding. So how do I encode? What do you do?
You have to assign every letter its numerical value.
Okay, so I need to,
I think if that's a chart that
make letters into numbers. I got this one. A is 1. B is 2. The space is 27.
T is 20.
T is 20.
H is 8.
8.
9.
Here's the chart right here.
9.
G
It sounds like Cheryl has
is 7.
7.
Oh, S is 19.
Why would it use that?
Dang it.
I skipped.
19. I is 9 again. S is 19.
G
G
is
is
7.
7.
O is something. 15. Something. And then 14.
1, 27.
5.
Is 5.
R is
O is 15.
R is 18.
R is 18. U is
21.
cool. G is
7 again.
7. And H is 8. Okay, so I codified everything in terms of numbers, right? And then what? What else do I need to do?
Make 2 by 1 vectors.
Good, I need to make 2 by 1 vectors. So here's a vector, there's a vector, there's a vector, there's a vector, there's a vector. Oh my god, this is going to get boring. Right? So continue this process. Oh good, it came out even. What would you do if it wasn't even?
Add a 0.
Add
a space.
Add a space.
That's 0.
Zeros are weird. Okay, so let's see. Let me encode my first block. So what's my first block I want to encode?
20 and 8.
20 and 8. Okay, so I take my 20 and 8, and I want to encode this with my matrix 4, -1, 3, -2. So I get what?
Number.
I don't know.
72.
80 minus 8 is 72, and 60 minus 16 is
44.
sure. Okay, and this is why cryptography is hard, because arithmetic mistakes abound. Cool? How do I encode the next block?
With your calculator.
With my calculator. Good. So I'm going to encode this block by hand, and then we'll encode the rest with a calculator. So what do you do with this?
9 and 19.
Okay, this is supposed to be 9 and 19. And so 4 times 9 minus 19 is 17, I think?
Yeah.
Probably not.
Let's pretend it's 17.
It's 17.
So it's 36 minus 19 at least, right? It's pick this up, twist it sideways, drop it on, right? So pick this up, twist it sideways, drop it on, and I get 27 minus 38
Yep.
is negative 11. Negative 11. Cool. Good?
It's not fun anymore.
It's not fun anymore. Okay, but at any rate, once I've encoded, right? I can't spell encode for some reason. Good. I now have 72, 44, 17, negative 11, and kind of continuing, right? You guys all see that? Questions on encoding that? Can we continue this process?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. Certainly hope so. Shouldn't be particularly hard. The next one's going to be horrible because the numbers are big, but otherwise this should should be pretty doable.
Do you have to put the space in the matrix?
You don't have to. So this next pair, right, is 27, 9. So if you do encode this, right, you're going to get kind of a big number, but whatever. It's just a number.
Computer don't care.
Yeah, the computer definitely doesn't care. The calculator definitely doesn't care. If I don't encode the space, what happens?
You see the spaces in the message.
Yeah, when I go to
Just all-
decode this thing, right, it's not going to have any spaces in it. Does that matter? Probably not. I don't know. It depends on how good you are at looking
Maybe
at
hash down.
stuff like. Yeah, I mean, it depends on how much twitting you do.
Hashtag.
Statistic,
Also,
gonna
you don't
be.
have words like therapist in there.
Yeah, so you want to kind of avoid, words that have multiple breakdowns. Therapist is a good example, but
Pen Island.
what is?
Pen Island?
Oh, yeah, okay. Why are they all horrible?
Because they are the ones that
That's a
stick in
very
your
good
head.
example. Anyway, yeah, you might want to put the spaces in just to make it clearer on the other end. Anything else? You guys want to decode something?
Yeah.
Yeah?